Oh my God.
It helps with my, because I get nervous. Yes, Hey guys, it's Geoff, and today we are doing a little thing that's been doing the rounds on TikTok and social media, blah blah. Thought we'd give it a go. This is Upside-down Pizza Tarts.
Delicious.
Okay, so basically we're going to build some pizzas with puff pastry, and well, you can use whatever ingredients you like. But what we start with is some honey, 100% pure Australian and natural, of course. And we just want to go straight down on the paper. And we're going to build this in sort of 4 squares, so I like that. Cool. And to that, we're going to go down with some pepperoni / salami on top, just like that. It's your favourite kind of video, Yazzo, a quick one.
Love it. My arm won't get sore. And my brain.
Thought you were going to say something else that started with B then, but I don't know. So now that we've got these new wireless microphones, it's going to pick up all of the little comments that sometimes go unnoticed, I feel.
Fair enough.
All right, get rid of that. Some prosciutto next. I think I might just tear a bit of this and just kind of lovingly pop it down like that. Excellent. What do you reckon, Yaz?
Looks good.
Does, doesn't it? Salty meats. Nothing that can't be cured with salty meats. Pardon the pun. Pun intended, perhaps. Probably more to the point. Just like that. Then we're going to go down with a bit of cheese. So just straight on top like that. This is just a packet blended, because I can't be bothered and I'm being a bit lazy. Packet blended kind of pizza mix kind of scenario. You do you. Some puff pastry. So we want to cut this into 4 even squares. This is just, again, laziness packet puff pastry.
Oh, because there are days when you make your own?
Well, no, me never, because I'm always lazy, if I'm being honest. I couldn't think of anything worse than making my own bloody puff pastry. Ain't nobody got time for that. All right, a little bit of pizza sauce on each one. What are you laughing at now? Well, what was funny about that?
Your attempt at being funny.
Well, at least one of us is being funny today. You have come to the table with nothing, it seems.
My material is not rehearsed.
Well, what material? You don't even have any unrehearsed material. So I'm having to do not only the cooking, but the comedy. I mean, what the hell? There we go. Looks a bit much. A bit more on this one, maybe. All right, great. Excellent. Okay, so what we want to do is take each of these off one by one without destroying them. Maybe doing this off camera. And flip this onto here. Just like that. Give it a little press around. Nice. Voila.
You reckon this is going to work?
I don't know. I've never made it.
Yeah, okay.
This is a first for me because people that know me will know that I am very much, I don't do anything without rehearsal, if I'm being honest. I don't measure stuff, but once I've done it a couple of times, well, that's it, right? Okay, beaten egg. One of these, crack this sucker in here. Dunk. Spill egg everywhere, that's the way we go. Give these a little brush with my giant oversized egg washer thing. Manchego, Parmigiano, Reggiano, Parmesan, whatever. Get some of this action down on here. When I can learn how to use the microplane. There we go, that's better. Get a nice tight shot here, Yazzo, of the cheese snow. What do you reckon?
Yum.
That's the ticket, look at that. A little bit of cheese action. What do you reckon, Annabella? You little snickering in the background over there.
You put too much cheese.
I put too much?
You put too much cheese on the
there's
first one. You're putting too much cheese on that one.
There's not any such thing as too much cheese.
Yes, there is.
There we
Then
go.
it's gonna just...
Quick video, that's it. Rock and roll. Kamado Joe, 200 degrees Celsius. Looks like it's smoking a little bit, so I might have to sort that shit out. But anyway, 200 degrees Celsius, oven, barbecue, Kamado, whatever. How long is it going to take? I reckon about 15 minutes, but we will see. So let's go pop this on. All right, pop these on. Straight on the rack, see you in 10-15. All right, let's get this off. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's not that good. Let's get them in and turn them over and see how we did. See, Yazzo. Whoa. All right, we've topped ours with a little bit of onion and tomato salad, or just cut it into 4, Yaz. What do you reckon? We'll have a little try. It gets a little bit crunchier as it cools down as well, which is quite nice. Let's give this a go. Ooh, crispy, crispy. Yes. You get that salty sweet thing. Yeah, as I'm looking at your mouth moving as I'm
Yeah, I know, because I want one.
Yum. Yeah.
Oh, I can't film, and I'll do it in a second.
Yeah, just a quick pro tip. We're just sort of sitting around talking about it and dissecting it all. Just make sure that you let them cool down a little bit before you hoe into them, because the puff pastry is kind of soft until it starts to cool a little bit, and then it goes crispy, and then it's just delicious. Top them with a little bit of salad, something zesty to break up all of the salami and the salted meats and stuff, and you're gonna kill it. Serve these at a little gathering, glass of wine, this, that. Amazing. Definitely give these a go. These have turned out magnificent. The honey is caramelized a little bit, which makes it's getting towards bitter, but it's not bitter yet. The sweet interacting with the salt. It's absolutely delicious. Mix and match the toppings and see how you go. Let us know how you did. Again, this is not mine. We're just copying it from everybody else, but I think it's turned out great and worthwhile of a little bit of viral action, I would have thought. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll catch you again soon. Cheers. It really is quite good, isn't it? My gosh. At the edges of the pastry and stuff. Wow.
Give me another bit.
You want another one?